Hey guys, good morning. It's Julie Willits from juliewillits.com. I'm gonna try and do this in the car because I have to babysit today and I just never know what's gonna happen. And I forgot my earbuds, so I don't know what the sound is gonna be like, so we're gonna give this a shot and see if it works. So do you ever have issues with the negative people, the naysayers, the pessimists, the people posting stuff on your fan page saying, this is a scam, this is bullshit, this is, just on and on and on. I mean, they come out of the woodwork. I mean, if they don't have the right kind of mindset to begin with, and they don't have a vision that they can look forward to and create their future, it's probably not going to be a good fit. I'm just saying, I mean, not everybody is cut out to work online. And not everybody is going to believe what you can show them. So they're going to be out there, saying all kinds of nasty stuff. And, you just got to go with it. I mean, yeah, you can delete it if you're on Facebook. Say you have something and they're going to put scam on your post. You can actually delete it and ban them from your page. And then you have the ones that, oh, yeah, right. So how much money am I going to have to spend to be able to make this real? It's bullshit. It's not real. Well, do you go out to dinner and order food and get it for free? No. You go out to dinner and you pay for a meal because that's what you want to do. You want to have something different that you most likely don't make at your home. So you go to a restaurant and find something that you want to eat that's different from your normal everyday, menu. You have it from the dinners you make at home. I mean, I'm not the person that is going to be making this huge extravagant Mexican food dinner when I can go to a Mexican food place right down the street and pay $8 maybe, if that, depending on what I want, and have it cooked for me, and it's good. Why do I want to go out of my way to go through all that, preparation and making that? Well, it's the same thing when you're looking for a business online. You're going to have to look at the menu. You're going to have to pick what's right for you, what you desire, what you want, and then you're going to purchase it. Because, guys, there's nothing for free. So if you're thinking that, I mean, yeah, you can do some stuff on JVZoo and ClickBank and Amazon, and you can promote a lot of different companies and be an affiliate. But how long is it going to take you to make your desired amount of income? You got to look at that. If you're just looking to make, extra gas money for the month, sure. I mean, there's a lot of people that are successful with JVZoo, ClickBank, a lot of different things, and they pick what resonates with them, which most of the time is opportunities to make money online, health and wellness, or relationships. Those are the top 3 niches to pick from. And if that's the affiliate business and affiliate marketing, are pretty much, those are the top 3. So back to your menu. So you get a menu of your business options, and then you're going to purchase what's best for your budget, what information you're going to get, whether if it's a digital product, and you know you have to look at what all comes with that product, and then you go from there. So having these people that actually are pessimistic about this, or negative, or want to call you out and give you shit because you're doing this, you know, it's part of the deal. It's kind of what you signed up for. So if you get your feelings hurt and get butt hurt over every time somebody says something about your business that's negative, you're going to have a hard time. Because you're going to have to let that go. Because if you can't deal with that, and with the criticism of other people that don't think the same way you think, then you're going to have issues. You know, and I just want to add in here, you know, I probably know a lot more people that are working online than I actually do working in a 9-to-5 job. Now, isn't that kind of nuts when you stop to think about it? Because the percentage is not very high of people that are doing this. That's the other thing you have to take into consideration. So it's not for everyone. You're going to have haters. You're going to have those negative people that think what you do is bullshit. But you know, that's just part of it. And you can't let it get in your way. Can't let it get you down. And you just deal with it and move on. So I hope this recording came out cool. I'm going to check it out. Oh no, here comes the truck. I'm pretty sure you heard that. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down there. And I will see you guys on the next video. I'm also going to add in the description one of the books that I actually think is something that if, say you're a beginner or you're new to this online world, that this would really help you move forward in your business. And it doesn't have to be just for online. It's for any business owner to tell you the truth. It could be brick and mortar. But anyway, I'm going to put that link in the description. It's a free book. All you have to do is pay the shipping. Okay, guys. Have a great one. Bye now.